everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'll walk you through the steps on how to transfer playlists from Apple Music to Spotify. To do it so, you want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. So what you want to do is, first of all, you actually want to come to a browser and you simply want to type in Tune My Music. And next thing what you have to do is you want to click on the first link that appears, that is www.tunemymusic.com, and go to this section. Now here you have to actually go ahead and select the source, right? So what you want to do is, since you want to do it from your Apple Music, you want to go to Apple Music, and then you just simply want to click on load from Apple Music account and make sure to follow the on-screen prompt, and there you could go ahead and select Spotify and just go ahead and follow the prompt and you'll be able to transfer playlists from Apple Music to Spotify. So that is the simplest way you could do it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Also, while doing this procedure, make sure that you have a stable internet connection and try using your correct credentials.